have so many different ones. I could talk about Triumph of Bacchus, which is so sexy and so seductive. Like I said, that's what this video is about. It's very boozy and warming and just so gorgeous. I could talk about Danae. Danae is just sparkling right off the top, and it's just creamy and seductive and sensual, and it's got this just beautiful, beautiful patchouli bomb in it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I could talk about Pallas Athene, which has this beautiful rose vibe going on. But the one I'm going to talk about today, and these bottles, guys, are so heavy, put together so right. This is Adonis Awakens. Wow. When I tell you, wow, and look at the presentation of this, guys. This is so amazing. This fragrance is gorgeous in every way, because right off the top, you're getting the sparkling, just gorgeous, fresh bergamot and grapefruit and pink pepper. So that's really going to catch everybody's attention with that beautiful, fresh, vibrant opening. Man, just really, really smacks you across the face. It's really going to get you a lot of compliments. But as this fragrance develops, the star of the show is the vanilla and the raspberry note. Oh, I love this fragrance, that vanilla and raspberry. And then you've got a little bit of rose in the dry down. Guys, this fragrance is amazing. A woman could wear this, a man can wear this. This goes for days. I get 8+ hours on my skin. The bubble on this one is absolutely huge. This is going to get you noticed. You're going to walk through that restaurant and heads are going to turn, because this one is so sensual and so seductive. Argos does everything first class. Christian Petrovich is one of the best perfumers in the world. So you definitely need to try this fragrance. It's absolutely amazing. This is Argos Adonis Awakens. Wow. I'm going to be talking about, like I said, I just showed you all the different fragrances you could wear from Zaharoff, and there's so many more. Definitely check out the website for the one that best fits you. Never take us reviewers' words for it. Always sample, and Zaharoff makes it easy for you to